Hey guys, this is Jennifer Vanderbeek with scrapsoflife.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very quick craft, how to make perler bead buttons. So I was looking through Craft Gossip. Do you get that newsletter? If not, I'll link it in the description down below. And I saw a link to make vintage looking buttons out of melted pony beads. And I'm like, well, I don't have a lot of pony beads, but I do have some perler beads left over from making some decorations for a Halloween costume a couple years back. I did not use them in their intended way. I just thought they looked like candy and I was doing Vanellope von Schweet. But anyway, so I thought, well, perler beads are meant to melt anyway, so let's go ahead and try this out. I have a mini Silpat mat that I use for clay. You can see on the other side, it's got some residue from some clay, and I am just going to arrange my perler beads directly on the mat. The tutorial, which I'll also link down below, it showed how to do the pony beads in chrome bottle caps, but I had this mat, so any nonstick mat or surface should do. And I am using a toothpick kind of as a stylus to kind of help place the beads so that I can get them where they need to go. The important thing is that they touch. That really is the kind of key thing, so that they melt together. I am making very simple flowers to start with, using a yellow or golden colored center surrounded by 6 beads. And then after about 3 to 5 minutes in a toaster oven at 450 degrees, you end up with this cute little button. I think these are absolutely darling. The stripy perler beads especially turned out great. I did some in the blue stripe with the golden yellow center with those blue stripy beads, and I think those are the most interesting. I also did some in solid colors, the blue and the red, just to kind of play with and experiment. I even got a little ambitious and started to do some like larger projects. This was kind of inspired by like a gladiolus or other kind of stem flower with little clusters. And I tried for a fleur-de-lis. It more looks like an iris, maybe. So we've got the melted perler bead buttons and etc. What can you do with them? So I sewed some little seed beads through the holes, added a clip and a bow, and I have a little barrette. You can use these just like you would any other buttons in craft projects. I decorated a couple of cards with some button accents, and then I sewed some of the blue ones onto a piece of fold over elastic to make a cute little stretchy bracelet or hair tie. Pretty much anything you can do with a regular button, you can do with these homemade perler bead buttons. I think they're a lot of fun, and I might have to experiment with these a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Once again, I'm Jennifer Vanderbeek with scrapsoflife.com. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I always love to hear what you're working on, and until next time, I hope you have a very creative day. Thank you. Bye-bye.